Assalamu alaikum. I am Binish Kausar Rafiuddin from Chemistry Department of JT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Today we will discuss about allotrophs of carbon. Allotrophs of carbon. So first of all we will see what are the allotrophs. Allotropy is the existence of an element in more than one form having the same chemical properties but different physical properties. कोई भी एलिमेंट का ऑकरेंस मोर देन वन फिजिकल स्टेट इन मोर देन वन फिजिकल स्टेट इज कॉल्ड एज एलोट्रॉपी and the various forms of an element are called allotrophs and different forms of that element is called as allotrophs. So we will see allotrophs of carbon. Here you can see the allotrophs of carbons are categorized into two class, that is crystalline allotrophs, or second one is amorphous allotrophs. In this crystalline allotrophs, three examples are there. First, diamond, graphite and fluorine. And in amorphous allotrophs there are also three examples, that is carbon black, coke and charcoal. First of all we will see crystalline allotrophs. In that, first is diamond. Diamond is the example of crystalline allotroph of carbon. In that we will see diamond hybridization or hybridization of diamond. In diamond, each carbon atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. Each carbon atom linked to four other carbon atoms in a tetrahedral fashion through sigma bond. Carbon-carbon bond length is 154 picometer. It is the hardest substance on the earth and it has very high melting point. It acts as electrical insulator, that means it does not conduct electricity because they do not have free or moving electron. Diamond contains only carbon atoms which is in three-dimensional tetrahedral structure and the strong covalent bond. This is the strongest substance on the earth, that's why it has high melting point and boiling point. Melting point is high, that is 3500 degrees C. In the diamond, all the valence electrons are used in bonding, so diamond does not conduct electricity, but it is thermal conductor. It is electrically insulator, but thermally it is a conductor. Now next example is graphite. Graphite is another example of crystalline allotroph of carbon. In that, the graphite is two-dimensional structure. It has layered structure and these layers are held by weak van der Waals forces or weak van der Waals forces. In graphite, each carbon atom undergo sp2 hybridization. In figure you can see the different layer of graphite, or it is a layered structure. Each carbon atom is bounded to three other carbon atoms through a sigma bond and the fourth electron forms a pi bond. The carbon-carbon bond length in the layer is 141.5 pm और 1.42 एंगस्ट्रॉम, और इनका जो इंटरलेयर डिस्टेंस होता है वो इंटरलेयर डिस्टेंस जो है इनका 3.36 एंगस्ट्रॉम होता है. मतलब कार्बन कार्बन का जो बॉन्ड लेंथ है वो 1.42 एंगस्ट्रॉम है और जो इंटरलेयर डिस्टेंस है मतलब एक लेयर से दूसरी लेयर का जो डिस्टेंस है वो 3.36 एंगस्ट्रॉम है. जो ग्रेफाइट है, graphite contains two-dimensional covalent structure. Each layer is strong, but there are only weak van der Waals forces. Layers can slide over each other, hence graphite is used as a lubricant in a pencil and in pencils. Each carbon only makes 3 bonds. The remaining delocalized electrons are free to move, hence graphite is a conductor. And its melting point is similar to diamond. Next one is fullerene. Fullerene, these are made by heating graphite in an electric arc in the presence of inert gas, helium or argon. You can see the structure of fullerene. They are cage-like structure, or it is called as Buckminster fullerene. All the carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized and it has both single and double bonds. कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड लेंथ, इसमें जो है कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड लेंथ 143.5 pm एंड सिंगल बॉन्ड की जो लेंथ है वो 1.43 pm है, और जो डबल बॉन्ड की बॉन्ड लेंथ है वो 138.3 pm. जो फ्लोरीन है उसमें जो बेस्ट एग्जांपल है C60. C60 contains 26 membered rings and 12 5-membered rings. The fullerenes are actually a whole chemical family. They are allotropes of carbon. They are spherical molecules containing 5 and 6-membered rings of carbon atoms. C60 is the one which has been studied most. मतलब जो ये C60 है वो 5 मेंबर्ड और 6 मेंबर्ड दोनों रिंग्स से मिलकर बना होता है, जिसमें जो है 6 मेंबर्ड रिंग 26 मेंबर्ड रिंग्स होती हैं और 12 5 मेंबर्ड रिंग होती हैं. इन स्ट्रक्चर यू कैन सी 5 मेंबर्ड रिंग and 6 membered ring also. Next is amorphous allotropes, and the examples are carbon black, coke and charcoal. Carbon black, it is obtained by burning hydrocarbon in a limited supply of air and you can get the carbon black. Next is charcoal and coke. By heating wood or coal at high temperature in the absence of air, charcoal and cokes are obtained.